Do you want to find a storage solution as close as possible to aeronautical sites in the Toulouse region? Secure your procurement, optimize your assembly line logistics, minimize storage areas in your plants, find a specific warehousing solution for large items, outsource some of your flows. Daher has developed Corlog, an aeronautics logistics platform very close to final assembly lines in Toulouse. Our solution enables you to benefit from the expertise of the European leader in aeronautical logistics. From storage to delivery and installation of your equipment, Daher allows you to take charge of your products while incorporating them into large customer supply chains. Daher supports you to build a custom solution tailored to your project. Our flexible and modular solution adapts to your changing needs. Daher offers you access to the very latest technologies developed in our logistics research center. Corlog, the winning solution to improve your performance and reduce your logistics costs and the carbon impact of your activities with total transparency.